Hi everyone, I am Shantanu Tomar and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixadroid Art. In today's video, I am going to draw Chhota Bheem and Kirmada from scratch. In this video, I will draw Chhota Bheem and after that I will draw Kirmada. First, I was thinking of drawing Chhota Bheem and Kirmada and then 10 other villains of Chhota Bheem movies. But after realizing that it will be a long video, I decided to only make a video on Chhota Bheem and Kirmada. So let's move to the video and start drawing this. Sketching usually take lots of time, so in my videos I speed up the process so that you don't get bored while I'm sketching these images. All the videos what I have done so far, all are speed up versions, as it takes me up to 1 or 2 hours sometimes to draw or to sketch a character. So I don't want you to wait that longer, so I have speed up these sketching processes so that you can get an idea what I was actually doing and what I was thinking while drawing this image. We have finished drawing Chhota Bheem here. Now we are drawing Kirmada. We will draw it in a form where he is flying in the sky, and Chhota Bheem in this video is in Ram Avtar. We are done with the sketching process. Now I will ink these two images, and I will skip the inking process, and I will only show you the glimpse of coloring process as well, as it is also taking time and I don't want this video to be much longer. So that's why I am skipping these processes. But if you want to see the full process, please let me know in the comment below, so that I can make a video where you can see the full process of coloring and inking as well. In this video we have drawn both the characters, but it is not looking that much good or not that much eye catching. So what I have decided, I want to draw background as well. I want to draw a simple background, a grass field and some mountains and some far trees over in the mountains, all that. If you have any suggestions for my upcoming videos, please don't forget to write down in the comments below. This is my final image. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye everyone.